issues. It's just that the flights are very less now, and somehow I wasn't being assigned any flights, so I was at home chilling. But back to the work part again. So I'm going to operate Cochin and back today. It's just 2 flights, 2 sectors, and probably there's not going to be any service because of the government regulation which is there. So just wanted to show you how it is during lockdown and what changes have been made, and I'll also be sharing with you some guidelines that are updated by the government as of now. So while watching the video, if you have any doubts regarding travel or anything, just comment below in the comment section and let me know if you have any. I'll be happy to reply back. I'm just sitting in my cab right now on my way to the airport, and the weather is amazing today and the sky is so pretty. Let me just show you. So yeah, as soon as I reach airport, I have to go to my office and do the necessary paperwork, and I have to check in. Then I have to do my breath analyzer test, which it is mandatory for each and every cabin crew before going for a flight. So yeah, after doing all of that, once I reach on board, I shall get back to you guys. See you. Hello everyone, I am back here, landed at Kochi just 10 minutes back, and right now passengers have deplaned and there is cleaning going on, so I'll show you. Yeah, so as of now, as I said, I'm going to tell you a few things about the travel guidelines. So first things first, it is very important for you to wear a mask. It is mandatory, and if you're not wearing your mask, you can get a red warning card, which is like a warning, and a legal action can be taken against you. Second thing, a face shield like this, which will be given to you by the airline in which you are traveling. This is also mandatory. Third thing, if you are a person who is seated on the middle seat, like for example, there are 3 seats as you can see. So if you're on the middle seat, you have to wear this PPE kit just like the one I'm wearing, although it would be a little bit different than this. But yeah, for the middle seat passengers, the PPE kit is mandatory. Also, I wanted to show you around the galley where I work. So these are the 2 lavatories, this washrooms, and this is the crew jump seats where we sit on. So it is like spring loaded, so it folds up automatically. And yeah, this is where I work. This is my workstation, and we come here every day. The first thing we do is we check all the necessary equipments that are there, and then we proceed towards catering department, and we take our catering handover and the other stuff that we have to do. And right now that I'm in Kochi, I thought I should inform you about these things. And if you are flying for the first time, there are a few things I would like to inform you about. However, I'll make a separate video on that. So please keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for that. Make sure you hit the bell icon as well to stay updated on whatever videos I'm posting next. So I will introduce you to my crew. Hannah, come here. Say hi.
My name is Hannah. You can call me Hannah.
She is actually very naughty, okay? She's been disturbing me throughout the flight. Why?
I don't know. I'm good.
So we are not supposed to remove the masks, otherwise you would have seen her. And you've already seen me, so no need for that. And as I was saying, अभी बहुत सारे states में travel guidelines अलग-अलग कर दिए हैं. जैसे कि बहुत सारे states में it is mandatory for you to carry a negative COVID test report, and there's a list of all the states wherein what guidelines are there. You will be informed about that. So I will attach a link here in the description so you can go through it. Every 10 to 15 days it is updated accordingly. जब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपने regulations चेंज करती है या लॉकडाउन लिफ्ट करती है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ट्रैवल गाइडलाइंस भी चेंज होते हैं. एज ऑफ नाउ 2 घंटे से कम की जो फ्लाइट है उसमें हम सर्विस नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट अगर आप अपने घर से खाना लेके आए हो तो यू कैन हैव इट. बट वी आर नॉट सर्विंग एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम वाटर एंड yes, everything is there and we are there at your service. And ma'am is doing her necessary checks. She is the ground staff. Ma'am, say hi. Hannah, the photographer. Say hi to Air India. All the best to everyone who's traveling. And that's the other aircraft of Indigo. We are right now at Kochi International Airport. I think he's doing a good job. See, we are multi-talented. Can't breathe at all. But yeah, and this was something I wanted to show you guys, like, because we cannot record when we are in flight. So I record when I land. But this is something I wanted to share with you guys, like where we sit, where we operate, because I have not exactly shown you. And yeah, so this was probably it for today's vlog. And they are just going to demonstrate how you open a lavatory door. Okay, this is very important because this is something nobody knows. Okay, like nobody knows. Hannah, please do the honors. You have to twist and pull. See, such a beautiful view inside. Can you show us again, Hannah, please? You have to twist and you have to pull. Thank you so much.
That was shit, man.
Yeah, so this was it for today, and I really wanted to show you guys how we are operating right now in lockdown. So if you are traveling, please do follow the guidelines, and before traveling, check the guidelines on that airline's page and stay safe. Wear your mask, please, and yeah, so take care of yourselves. And if you watched this video till the end, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and do comment down below. And yeah, it was a pleasure making this video for you all. So thank you so much for all the love and support you've been showing, and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.